Products in HubSpot are a great way to manage any products or services that you sell. Since they are objects in HubSpot, they can be associated to a deal, quote, invoice, or payment link so you can keep track of what sells best and easily manage your products and services. Now you might be wondering, what's the difference between a product and a line item? A product is your good or service that can be managed in the product library, while a line item is one instance of that product, which is usually associated with a deal, a quote, invoice, or payment link. In your HubSpot account, navigate to Commerce and then Products. Next, click the orange Create Product button in the upper right-hand corner. Now you can start filling out the information. You can always edit what shows up where it says Edit this form. So we're just going to go through, make sure to give it a name, and a SKU is also really helpful. You can add billing frequency, descriptions, the unit cost, whatever is important to you to keep track of your products, or any different types of filters that you may want to use in the future. So we're just going to go ahead and add in some of these fields. They work just like contact or company or even deal fields. And when you're done, you can click Create Product or Create and add another. You can also use the import tool if you are importing many products at once. All you have to do is go to the Import button at the top, click on Import a File, and then go from there. So you're going to click Start Import on this screen, then you're going to click on Products, and from there you'll do a typical import, which we can link resources down below on how to do. Now let's talk about managing products. So on the product overview page, you can see all your different products. You can add columns to add different fields. You can click on those headers to sort, as well as use advanced filters to filter the page. So for example, if you want to filter by price, you can go ahead and do that. Here I'm showing products greater than 400, and you can see that filtered all of the products. I'm going to clear out those filters, and now if you need to update a product, you can go ahead and click on that field in that column and just edit it from there. So for here, I am updating the SKU, then clicking Save. You can also click on the product, and in the panel that shows up on the right, you can go ahead and update that SKU or other field, and then click Save. You can also delete products by clicking the checkbox and then confirming that you would like to delete the product. Now let's talk about associating products. You can associate a product to a deal by adding a line item to a deal, quote, or invoice, or you can select the setting to allow payment links to create a deal once it's paid. Here's how you do it. So you're going to create a deal, and then just fill out the deal information that you need to fill out per your sales process. You're going to add associations, and then at the bottom you can add line items. So here I'm adding one of our products, and if I scroll back up, you can see that the amount has been grayed out, and it is the amount of that product. And as you add line items, it will update that amount. So let's say we want to add another one and we want to have 2 quantities of that product. If I scroll back up, you can see that the amount has again been updated. So I'm going to click Create Deal, and now we're in the deal record. If you refresh the page, it may not show up right away, but if you refresh the page and scroll down, you can see the line items that we added from creating the deal. Now you can click Edit if you need to change that or add products. So here I'm changing the quantity of one product from 2 to 1, clicking Save. It's going to ask you if you want to update the deal amount, which you probably do, so click Update Deal Amount. You can also delete line items. Again, click Save and update the deal amount. And if we go back to the deal, you can see that the line item section is updated, as well as the amount on the left side. Now again, if you want to send a quote, you can click on the quote button, and we're just doing a quick example here, so not all the information is filled out, but you can see that it pre-populated the line items on your deal into your quote, which again, you can update from here if you need to add an another product, remove a product, adjust the quantities. You can do that all in the quote. Now let's go over payment links. So what you can do either on the deal record or in the payment link section, you're going to create a new payment link. And similarly to quotes or invoices, you can select from the product library and associate your products to this payment link. So I'm just going to add one, and then if you go into the settings tab, you can see that there is a setting where you can allow this link to create new deals. So if you haven't created a new deal yet, you can turn this on, choose the deal pipeline and the deal stage, and have that product and payment link associated with the deal as soon as the payment link has been paid. And that's it. That's how you create, manage, and associate products in your HubSpot account. Need help managing products in HubSpot? The team at Hivehouse Digital can help. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you optimize your HubSpot account today.